Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can clear your search history in YouTube. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video and follow my mouse pointer for your easy navigation. First you need to do is just simply go to your YouTube application in your smartphone, tap on it. Okay, now you can see there is a search icon in top right corner. Just tap on it. Then you can see your search history is appeared here. So if you need to clear this history, follow my steps. First thing you need to do is, you can see there is a profile icon in bottom right corner. Just tap on it. Then you can see there is a setting icon in top right corner. Just tap on it, and there is option called manage all history. Tap on it. It will open your web browser and go to this website. Wait for loading. Alright, now there are a bunch of options here. There's option called auto delete. Tap on this arrow icon. Okay, this option allows you to auto delete your search history during this month. Currently it is set as 36 month. You can choose whatever you like to do, and also you can choose don't auto delete activity. So I like to this keep as it is. And also you can see there is a delete button in here. Tap on it. It will show us this menu: delete today, delete custom range, delete all time. If you need to delete today's search history, just tap on the first option. And if you need to delete the custom time frame search history, choose the second one. And if you need to select delete all the search history, then choose the third option. I like to choose third option. Tap on it, and you need to confirm that. And also it will shows you to your search history. Just tap on delete, it will confirm. Okay, now deletion is complete. Tap on got it. If you need to confirm the search history deleted, you can go to your YouTube account again, back, and go to home, then tap on that search icon again. See, the search results are now disappeared. So this is how you can clear your search history in YouTube. If you gain some knowledge from this, please consider subscribe and give a like button. Thank you very much.